Not all reading programs are created equal, especially when it comes to kindergarten. Some focus too much on memorizing, others skip over basics completely, and a lot of them just don't match how kids actually learn. In this video, I'm going to show you what makes a great kindergarten reading program, the key skills it should focus on, and how to choose the best fit for your child or classroom. Whether you're a parent, a teacher, or you're just trying to figure out where to start, this is for you. Stick around to the end and I'll show you exactly what's inside our childhood reading curriculum. The same step-by-step system I use with my own kids and my students. Now here's what we know from research. Kids do best with structured phonics-based reading programs, especially in kindergarten. Programs that focus on phonemic awareness, phonics, fluency, and comprehension help children become confident, independent readers without the guessing or frustration. As a certified teacher and literacy specialist, I've worked with a lot of programs, and I've seen firsthand which ones work and which ones waste time. That's why I created a full early reading program that incorporates all the proven features of an effective system to give families and educators a simple research-backed way to teach reading right from the start. So what actually makes a kindergarten reading program effective? There are 3 things you need to look for. Number 1, structure. It should follow a clear step-by-step plan, no guessing, no fluff. Number 2, explicit phonics instruction. Kids need to be taught how to read, not just memorizing sight words or looking at pictures. Number 3, fluency and comprehension. Once kids can decode, they need practice reading smoothly and understanding what they read. That means decodable passages, repetition, and real-world context. Now, if a program has all 3 of those, you're in a great place. So let's zoom in on the big 3. Phonics. This is all about teaching letter-sound relationships, helping kids decode words on their own rather than guess. Fluency. Kids need to read smoothly and accurately with expression. That only happens with consistent practice, rhythm, and confidence. Comprehension. Even in kindergarten, we want kids to understand what they're reading. That comes through asking questions, thinking out loud, and connecting sounds and words to real-world experiences. A good kindergarten program should support all 3 at the same time. Now let's talk about what's out there. Here are 3 programs that I recommend. The first one is the Active Readers Early Childhood Reading Curriculum. This is my own program, and it's built for families and educators who want to teach reading without stress. It's structured, phonics-based, hands-on, and designed to be fun and doable with just 10 minutes a day. Number 2, All About Reading Level 1. This is a solid, research-aligned program with a phonics-first approach. It's great for homeschoolers or parents who want more support. The third one is U-Fly Foundations from the University of Florida. This one is used in schools and is built around structured literacy principles. If your school uses it, you're in good hands. So how do you pick the right one? For hands-on learners, look for programs with multisensory tools, tracing, moving, building letters. For kids who love stories, choose a program that uses decodable books and sentences and includes lots of read-aloud time. For struggling readers, you need a structured approach with explicit phonics. No guessing, no skipping steps. The goal is to match the program to your child or classroom while still sticking with methods that are backed by science. If you're looking for a reading program that checks all the boxes and is easy to use at home or in the classroom, here's what's inside the Active Readers Early Childhood Reading Curriculum. You'll get tactile phonics-based flashcards, a structured learner workbook and instructions manual, step-by-step teaching videos, hands-on activities and weekly guides and daily lesson plans. This is everything I wish I had when I started teaching kids how to read. It's simple, it's proven, and it's backed by science. You can check it out at the link below or head over to my website. Now, if you want to get started today, you can test drive my early childhood reading curriculum by downloading my free Letter A worksheet, which includes a week's worth of lesson plans and learner resources. You can find it at my website or at the link below. Kindergarten reading should be joyful, structured, and doable. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent. You got this, and I'm here to help.